In this guide, I'm going to show you how to update Facebook. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to go ahead and do if you're on an iPhone is open up the App Store and just go ahead and type in Facebook. And then, of course, open up the Facebook app. If you see an update button, obviously go ahead and tap it, install the latest version of Facebook. If you're on Android, you do the same thing, but open up the Google Play Store, search for Facebook, tap update if it appears. If it still isn't showing the newest features, you do need to reinstall it, but there's a specific way that you need to go ahead and reinstall it. So go ahead and back out if you're on an iPhone, select settings first, and then you need to go down to general and open that up. Then select iPhone storage, and at the very bottom, search for Facebook. Select Facebook, hit offload app just like so, and then you can reinstall it. On an Android, you just have to clear the app cache or uninstall and then reinstall Facebook from the Play Store. If you're using Facebook on a Mac or Windows computer, just go to Facebook in your web browser. The website version updates automatically. But that's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.